Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use Rating Captain Local, improve your local SEO, and easily manage multiple Google business profiles to get free traffic from organic search and Google Maps listings. After logging into the app with your Google account, you'll see a dashboard with review statistics, such as the number of reviews and average ratings over time, or the most recent positive and negative reviews. In the upper right corner, you can select the period based on which data will be presented. Meanwhile, in the upper left corner, you can choose where the data should come from, whether from one profile, a working group of multiple profiles, or all profiles that you have on your account. In the performance panel, you'll see views and various clicks, as well as the most important keywords. Have you ever had your profile name changed without your knowledge? The alert panel will prevent others from updating your profiles, both Google and competitors. Don't worry about manually rejecting external updates. Turn on the automatic rejection system. Your profiles will now be safe. Rank Tracker allows you to check what position your profile holds in Google Maps search results when potential clients search for specific keywords. We measure positions from multiple geographic locations because Google gives users varying search results depending on where they are. Thanks to this, we can replicate the visibility of your business accurately. Each pin with a number signifies the profile's position on Google Maps in a given area for a chosen keyword. After clicking on the pin beneath the visibility map, you'll see a list with your competitors' positions. Let's try adding a new keyword. You can select the area of tracking here. If you're unsure about the keywords your clients might be using, press Generate Suggested Keywords and choose an interesting phrase, then save. You can also import your keywords from a CSV file. The system will begin collecting data at this point, and after a few minutes, you'll see a prepared map. In the top right corner, you can view the visibility from other days and generate a report. Moreover, you can track positions for working groups. This panel facilitates replying to customer reviews from all your profiles in one place. You can respond manually or with the help of empathetic artificial intelligence. Let's try it. Let's filter reviews with 1 star that lack responses. Then let's reply to a few reviews in one go but generate different messages depending on what the customer is writing about. The empathetic AI will address the issues the customers are writing about and will try to defuse the situation. Of course, you can edit its statement or simply save. The Post panel allows you to share updates in one or multiple profiles at once. You can write a post or generate one using keywords with the help of AI, and you can also schedule a future publication. Let's try adding a post. We'll first generate the topic of the post, and then the rest of the content based on that. Now all you need to do is add an image and save. The Media panel allows you to manage all the photos you have in your business profile. In the settings for profiles and working groups, you can edit the data of one or many profiles at once. You can also create working groups used later to display data or track ranks of profile groups, such as store profiles in a specific province. In the account and permission settings, you can connect many other Google profile accounts in order to manage them conveniently with just one main account. Go to the External Access tab and press Grant Permissions from an external email address. You will be redirected to log into a new Google account, which will give you access to its profiles. You can also change profile permissions for the team in this panel